Recently, Bling 4 just posted on his IG Ashiti heartbroken, and it's not certain what's going on with him. Guys, anti-depression is real and we don't know what this guy is going through, and a lot of people are suspecting maybe Bling 4 broke up with Miss Used. There's that rumor arambo circulator, and those videos are circulator in the previous month. Bling 4 and naMiss Used, and people were saying online these two guys, they are dating, and the pics avaka poster ese they told futhi vari kudate these guys, and now Bling 4 has just posted heartbroken. What do you think is happening, guys? Is this guy heartbroken, or this guy is just doing it for clout, or there's a song we don't see heartbroken ari kuda kureleasa? Tell me what you think in the comment section. Isai my views and you guys timbo discussa nyaya iyi what's really going on.